Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's about that time where I take down this 2 months old mini twist. Now there's a lot going on with this twist which I'm going to be talking about as we go along. But first of all, I'd like to show you how much growth I've gotten so far, and this growth is so massive, trust me. I've never seen anything like this throughout my long-term protective style journey. Like, this one really surprised me. That is more than 1 inch, you guys, that you're seeing there for just 8 weeks. Now bear in mind that I've been doing mini braids challenge for 3 months, for 6 months, and I know how much growth I get during those periods. Now I never expected that my twist is going to give me the same results. So now let's go ahead and just take this hair down while I talk about some of the things that I've noticed and that really surprised me, and how I'm going to be going forward with my protective style challenge. So I'm using my Mega Growth leave-in conditioner for this one, for this takedown, because I didn't want to spritz my hair with water. I didn't want any messy situation using flaxseed gel, aloe vera gel. No, I just wanted something that I could just take down. Plus the fact that I will not be washing my hair immediately, so there was no point putting all those gels on my hair or anything like, or water. Water is going to shrink my hair. So leave-in conditioner is the next best option. Like, it works every single time for me. So I just apply that to the roots of each twist, and then it's so easy. Like, sleep in this conditioner. I've said it before. I mean, this is not my first time. If you've been watching my video for a long time now, you see that I like to use this leave-in conditioner for takedown. So I just apply some more, and before you know it, every tangled mess it just comes off easily. And I noticed that I didn't really have a lot of tangled mess in this takedown. Honestly guys, I was expecting my hair to start locking up, because the idea was to leave it for 4 weeks. You know how twists can get. The idea was to leave it for 4 weeks, but I ended up leaving it for 8 weeks. That is 2 months. It wasn't planned, but that was where I found myself. So I was expecting a lot of, like, I was ready for whatever this brings, but to my surprise, it was so easy to take down. The shedding was not much. Like, I was so surprised. And mind you, I have been washing my twists. Yes, every 2 weeks I've been washing my hair. So I was shocked. I was surprised to see that the locking, the matting that I was expecting did not happen. And then also, I think one of the things that maybe helped was the fact that I braided from the root. I braided at least half an inch to 1 inch for some areas from the root, and then twisted the rest. But still, washing twist, you guys know, when you're washing your hair with twist, especially this size of twist, I mean, there's got to be some locking, there's got to be some matting, but nothing as such. And I don't have any slippery product I'm using here, just that leave-in conditioner I'm using. So this was a surprise to me. Honestly, it was a surprise to me. And that growth, I've never had it even when doing my mini braids. Like, that is the growth I will usually have when I'm taking down maybe a 3 months braids, challenge. But for this twist, it was just 8 weeks. Just 8 weeks, and this is the level of growth. I'm going to still show you guys other areas. You can see the growth is massive. Like, just see the sidebar and see how much growth just 8 weeks of keeping this twist has gotten me. Then another thing I think helped a lot was my frequent massaging. Yes, you guys, if you want to grow your hair faster, quicker, and stronger and healthier, massaging your scalp every single day is the best. Trust me. I think honestly that's the reason why my hair grew this fast, like in this twist, and I didn't have any issues with matting at the root. Those mattings that I used to show you guys when I'm taking down my mini braids, there was nothing like that here. And I did not retwist my hair, only the front line of my edges. I shared that video. If you have not watched it, I'm going to leave a link in the description box so that you can watch it. It was just the first line of my twist, that is my edges, that I retwisted. The rest of these twists, they are 8 weeks. They are 8 weeks old. Can you beat that? They are 8 weeks old. I think this is the first time I will go this long with twists, and it's really shocking to me how I can take it down without having any issue. Like, those matting I have with braids, they were not here. They were not there at all. I also think that because each time I'm moisturizing my hair, I pull out some shedding, so maybe actually that reduced the amount of shedding I would have gotten at the roots of this twist. So naturally, twist, once you're moisturizing your hair, just brings out the shedding down. So you can see this is a smooth takedown. No struggling with any twist. I didn't have to go look for any slippery product to apply and all. Just a little of my leave-in conditioner, and that was it. Guys, this twist takedown was the best I've ever had. Honestly, it was the best I've ever had. And my hair came out thicker, my hair came out fuller from the roots, especially because, you know, the massaging thing, it kind of works. It works a lot. And I use my hair teas as well to as my liquid each time I want to moisturize my hair. And I was still moisturizing my hair 3 times a week. 3 times a week. So guys, I don't know the magic that happened there, but my decision going forward is to continue with this twist challenge till December. I want to see what's the difference between keeping mini twists for 8 weeks and also keeping braids for 3 months, 12 weeks and 4 months like I usually do. So I want to be able to weigh the difference. You know, this is not my first time of making twists. Of course, I started my natural hair journey making twists, but back then I would usually keep it for 1 week, 2 weeks max. That was all I did until I decided to start going long-term protective style. Then I did a 1 month twist challenge, and then there was another time I did a 6 weeks twist challenge, but that was a total disaster because my hair was locking. So that was the reason why I felt taking down this particular one that I kept for 8 weeks was going to be a disaster, because that is usually like my twists don't go that far, especially when I did not retwist them and I didn't retwist my entire hair. So this was a surprise to me, and like I've told you guys, what I feel really helped was my scalp massage, my frequent scalp massage, my frequent moisturizing, and I don't know, honestly, I want to do this again so that I can be able to get a clear picture, and maybe long term I will know the things that really stood out for me each time I always experience that. I don't know if you guys experience that too, but yeah, this takedown was overall very, very interesting. I did a twist out, like just took out all these chunky twist and left my hair out, and I'm going to be showing you a comparison when I took down my mini braids the last time, the twist out, what it looks like, and this particular one, what it looks like. You will see the difference, the thickness, the volume, the difference is so clear. So I'm going to be doing twists for the rest of this year and keeping them for these 2 months, since I see that my twists can last for 2 months. So I'll be doing that, and then let's see how this retention journey comes along. So thank you guys for watching. If you watched this far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video as well to your friends, to your natural sisters. You guys, you can see my eyes, something got in my eye. I think my hair got into my eyes, you know, taking down my hair each time. I always experience that. I don't know if you guys experience that too. And yeah, let me know in the comment section, have you ever taken your twist to 8 months? Like, what's the longest time that you've kept in your twist, and how was your takedown like? Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.